Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install Thunderbird on Linux. So at the beginning we have to go into the browser. I will show you how to do it in the two ways. The first one will use an archive that will work on every distribution. The second one will use a command that will work, I guess, only on my Ubuntu or Debian distribution, but we will see and we will check. Maybe at the beginning I will tell you what is a Thunderbird. Thunderbird is a free and open source email client, so this is, I think, pretty useful. We will type in Thunderbird for Linux, like this. And right now, here we have the official Thunderbird site, so we'll click on that. And as you can see, we have Thunderbird desktop. We'll use that. So local, we'll use English, US, release channel, Thunderbird release, recommended that, so we will leave it. And operating system, of course, Linux. You can check. You can choose installer type. For me, it will be 64-bit. If you have a 32-bit system, you can use 32-bit. So now we have to download that. So I will click on that, and we have to wait a bit. This file has 75 megabytes, as you can see, so it is not big. And now we can move to our terminal. So the first way that you can do is first of all, we will go into the download section. It will be a little bit easier. And right now, I will leave that as, and as you can see, we have a tar file right there. We have to extract that archive. If you don't know how to extract the archive, you can watch my video where I showed you how to do it, but I will use tar minus and x, v and f, and the name of my archive, so I can fill it by typing pressing tab on my keyboard. So I will press enter, and as you can see, my archive is extracting. And right now, we can move our Thunderbird into a new location. It will be, I think, better. So I want to move Thunderbird into, for example, opt and Thunderbird, like this. I will press enter. Of course, I have to type in my password because I use sudo, so like this. And right now, we can run it. We don't have an icon. I will show you how to install this with icon, but we have to use the command. So I will leave it for now. We can run it by typing in simply this path. So opt Thunderbird and Thunderbird again. If I press enter, it should work. So as you can see, sandbox, something is launching. As you can see, my Thunderbird is working. So right now I will do something what will make it a little bit easier to use. I will add Thunderbird to path. So how can we do it? We can do it by typing in the command sudo ln-s. And right now, the path when our Thunderbird is right now, so opt Thunderbird and Thunderbird. And the next path is user local bin and Thunderbird, like this. It should work. So I will press enter, and right now Thunderbird should work. Maybe I will check it like this, Thunderbird -- version. As you can see, it is working, and we can launch our Thunderbird right now simply by typing in this command. So Thunderbird and pressing enter. As you can see, our sandbox is working. And right now, the best way, maybe the better way to install it on Linux, no Linux, but on the Ubuntu distribution, is using sudo apt install and simply Thunderbird like this. You can type in something like this. On Fedora it should also work. It is sudo dnf install. Simply you have to choose your own command that is used to install things on your Linux distribution. For me it is apt install, so I can press enter. I have to wait a bit. As you can see, for me it is download from Snap Store, I think, so it works like that. And as you can see, it is all still on 20%, but we have to wait. As you can see, my icon appeared right there. So this is the second way, and right now we have an icon, Thunderbird Mail, and we can click on that, and we have to wait, and it is also working. So this is how you can install Thunderbird on Linux. If you found this video helpful, you can leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.